Wait, stop the timer. We just take a thumbnail picture. Do you think we can do it?
I think we can.
Yeah. I'll have the bucket on standby just in case.
I feel like if you know that eyes are watching you, you're gonna just do it.
Right.
To prove a point.
Very true. We'll see. What's up, guys? It's Prodigious Paola back with another challenge video. Today I have my friend Maureen with me. She drove down from New York to come do this video with me. I kind of dragged her, so I convinced her. She was like, yeah, let's hang out. I was like, yeah, let's eat 100 nuggets. So that's kind of how it escalated. So yeah, it's basically like the title says, we're going to try to eat 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, guys.
She just found that out also not too long ago. So, you know, full of surprises today. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and go to McDonald's and pick up 100 chicken nuggets. I don't even know if like you have to pre-order that many chicken nuggets. I don't know how that works. I've never ordered that much food in my life. So
do they have 100 chicken nuggets?
Do they even have 100 chicken nuggets? Like, they're like, we just wipe out that McDonald's for the day. Like, sorry, we're closed for the rest of the day because these two girls came and got 100 chicken nuggets. So
will we lie and say that we're having a party?
Yeah, so let's go to McDonald's. We're at McDonald's now. We're gonna order the chicken nuggets and let's see. I don't know, I've never ordered this much food at one place, so we're gonna see if that's even possible. So
can I have 10 orders of 10? Hi, can I have 5 orders of 20-piece nuggets?
Okay, well then 2 large drinks and then 5 20 pieces. And a lot of barbecue. And what sauce do you want?
Sweet and sour.
So a lot of barbecue.
Thank you.
Hey, we need 520. Yeah.
She's like,
Oh my God, spicy noodles. Oh.
Yeah, I've been on a roll of doing stupid things lately, so.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, thank you.
you have to tell everyone else to subscribe to it too so they can watch.
Gotcha.
Alright guys, so we got all of the chicken nuggets. It's kind of heavy, and then a bunch of sweet and sour and barbecue sauce and some drinks, so you know we don't die. We're back. As you can see, they definitely did have 100 chicken nuggets. Yeah, we're just gonna put all these, I guess, on a plate because I mean, ideally it would be 50 and 50.
Yeah.
But you know, I have her back, and I'm hoping she has mine.
So basically, she's assuming that if she can only eat, you know, 40, that I'm gonna go ahead and like
eat 60. You know, one team, one fight. But yeah, we're gonna put it on the plate. I got some barbecue sauce. She got some sweet and sour, and we're gonna
set it up.
So we have 2 plates because honestly, I don't think I own a plate big enough to fit 100 chicken nuggets. So we're just gonna dump them out onto the plates. You want to split them evenly, like 50?
Yeah, let's just do it. 50.
So you get 2. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Chuckles, we're in danger.
You wanna get your sauce ready?
Yeah. Light them up. I really don't know if I'm ever gonna need all of them.
Yeah, I feel like this is just gonna get in the
way.
way.
They gave me a lot more barbecue than they gave me sweet and sour.
Don't you know they hate giving away sauces?
Oh man. Okay. It's not bad. It was for the 2 drinks and 100 nuggets. It was $30. Because I feel like if you have a big family or you have a lot of friends you want to take out to dinner, McDonald's is the way to go.
That's exactly what I normally think when I'm having family over.
What's your strategy going into this?
I think that if I just go as fast as I can trick my stomach into not knowing that it's eating yet.
Okay. And then also, I haven't ate all day. It's already 12:38 in the afternoon, and I haven't ate all day. She had breakfast, but it was like around 8, 9-ish. So, you know, it's about that time to eat again. So we'll see if that factors anything.
So who do you think will eat more? Or will we both finish?
I think, oh God, this is a lot. 10 minutes, dang, that's not even, I don't feel like that's a realistic goal.
Okay, well.
Okay, we're about to
I'm
start.
about to start, so
get your nuggie ready.
10 minutes on the clock. Ready, set, go.
I don't like how quiet we just got. Double fisting it.
I feel like this is a lot easier when you're drunk.
Damn it. Let me get the alcohol. That's actually a good idea. If we don't finish it, we should revisit this drunk.
Part 2. By the way, I'm naturally a very slow eater, so this is very hard for me.
Oh God.
We have 8 minutes left.
What? What? I'm getting nervous.
I just can't swallow fast enough.
Okay. No. Oh no. What is it? I'm eating it though. You know when you hold your head underwater and you come for a deep breath of air? That was me just now. I have heartburn. Actually, can I taste your sweet and sour? I don't think I've ever had sweet and sour sauce from McDonald's.
Who are you?
And that's why. I don't like
Where
it.
did you grow up? Where did you come from?
A place where we got barbecue.
This is like one of the first food groups.
Sweet and sour sauce?
Chicken nuggets and sweet and sour sauce.
Wendy's nuggets and sweet and sour sauce are my favorite.
Just mad.
How many do you think we ate already?
I hope at least 20.
No. I just feel bad if we don't finish it, because who am I going to give this food to? Jake.
This is harder than I thought.
Yeah. You know what's the sad part? I don't even know where the closest hospital is, just in case I start having a heart attack. Damn. Poor plane.
Death by nugget.
That's not too bad of a way to go out.
Hashtag stupid ways to die.
No, ain't no way.
We have 4 minutes.
What the fuck? I feel like you have a special fast timer. I'm getting 4 now. Have you even used this sauce? I'm already down to. I feel very self-conscious about my sauce amount right now.
I feel like it's taking up space and time.
I'm eating more than you.
All right, 2.5 minutes.
No.
Why did you say that? Now I have to OD.
I got a mouthful of nuggets right now. You're pooping at AJ right now?
No. But why would you say that?
I just want you to know. Maybe you should have used sauce. Oh, my belly hurts. Oh my god. Minute and 50 seconds left. Also, I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full, but I'm trying to win.
I low-key hope I at least ate more than Paola did.
By the look of your plate, doubt it. But you ate a lot. Minute and 5 seconds. Come on. Honestly, I don't know who ate more because I think mine are more in the middle. My hairs are more like spread out a little bit. Or vice versa, I can't really tell right now, but it's getting hard to breathe.
Oh shit.
35 seconds. Almost up. 10 seconds.
That's it.
That looks really sad.
That's it, guys.
Damn it. I feel like if I had more time, actually no.
I think if I wouldn't have had breakfast,
I mean, clearly that didn't help or affect anything.
okay. Maybe it's just really hard to eat 50 nuggets in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna say maybe if I had more time, but my stomach really hurts right now. I would have had 2 more chicken nuggets. You might have seen me on the toilet. Let's count them.
Okay.
So we can at least see who ate more.
Yeah.
Okay. You're so smart.
Thanks, bro.
Together, our brains
I
are.
know, like, if
We're
we just
super brain.
put together our smartness, we come up with like
Great ideas.
amazing ideas. Alright, so.
Oh, you wonder? You think they'll do like refunds? Like you were giving back? Like we're gonna use these money.
I don't think so.
Alright, should we yell them at the same time so that way we know we're not lying? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 21!
She won. Okay. Okay.
But we still lost as a team. You know, collectively we lost because we didn't eat. Yeah, I'm serious. Damn. Okay, so 27 plus 30. You said 31.
Mm-hmm.
That's 50.
You're gonna sit here and try to do
58.
So we almost ate half.
Yeah.
We almost ate half.
You know, that's not bad.
That's not bad. The most I ever ate was a 20-piece by myself, and I was drunk.
I'm proud of us. You know, the fact that the food is still inside of me and not outside of me, that's progress.
I feel like we're definitely not gonna go to the gym today. I can't imagine going with 20 nuggets inside of me.
I feel like we need to like walk around though.
Yeah, I do need to walk.
I have to go to my mailbox, so we could go to my mailbox. Well, I usually drive. It's literally right there. I'll take you guys on the stroll so you guys can see that it's literally right there, and I still drive to my mailbox.
She usually drives to her mailbox.
What's wrong with that?
How far could it possibly be?
It's not that far, but today I need to walk. But yeah, I think. What do you think? We should do a round 2 when we're drunk.
Yeah, and also we need a nap.
Before or after?
Sometime today, because
today?
This shit is giving me the itis.
Before the challenge or after the challenge? Let us know below if you would like to see a part 2 when we're drunk, because you know I feel like it's a lot easier just to do stupid things.
Yeah.
You don't, you know, your body doesn't really realize what's going on when you're intoxicated. So
and it tastes a lot better.
Oh yeah, for sure. Because I mean,
better.
I'm not gonna lie, McDonald's chicken nuggets, they're not bad.
I mean, you
but
know.
I don't know what they are, so
Yeah.
I'm a little worried.
Facts.
So yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you would like to see more videos like this or any other challenges for that matter. And yeah, that's pretty much all. So first of all, I want to clarify some things because I feel like I was talking with my mouth full, and this brand deserves a proper shout out. So our hats, like I said, they're from Nothing Beats Work Ethic. Make sure you check them out. They have plenty of colors. They have that one, this one, a cute mustard one, a camel print one, a blue one, and this is just the beginning of something amazing. So make sure to check them out on Instagram, and great things are to come. They're gonna start their own YouTube channel very soon, and
website.
Yep, and website.
Everything is Nothing Beats Work Ethic.
Yeah. So this is not only for working out, whatever lifestyle you lead, whatever lifestyle you live, you know, just be the best. Be the best that you are. You know, grind every day, hustle, and you know, outwork people. Your work ethic should speak for itself. So no matter, it's not just working out, whether you're a businessman or whatever you like doing, makeup, you like doing YouTube, you like watching YouTube, you know, watch the heck out of my videos.
You don't have to have any talent. You just have to have work ethic.
Exactly.
And that's what their brand is all about. They're really cool, really motivational. So even if you don't work out, check out their videos. They just like inspire you to do great things.
Yep, so check them out.